Getting your commercial driver's license in Missouri takes just 3 to 4 weeks, and it can lead to a life-changing career with great pay and job security. Let's break down the simple steps to getting your CDL in Missouri. First, make sure you meet Missouri's CDL requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, 21 to drive out of state. Have a valid Missouri driver's license. Obtain a commercial learner's permit at least 14 days before testing. To get your CLP, you'll need to pass the written knowledge test, provide one document proving legal U.S. residency, present a valid medical examiner's certificate, have a valid Missouri driver's license, and be at least 18 years old. Now, it's time for training. Our FMCSA-approved CDL program in Missouri covers classroom learning and hands-on driving practice. You'll learn everything from pre-trip inspections to highway driving. Our experienced instructors will ensure you are fully prepared for the CDL test. Once you're proficient in all ELDT curriculum, it's time to take the CDL exam. The test includes pre-trip inspection, basic vehicle control, road test. Pass all 3 sections and you'll officially be a licensed truck driver. Ready to start your trucking career? Our Missouri CDL schools can help.